guys, Hadrian's Gate, Antalya. And we're going to take a wander through the old town and see what that's all about. Okay, let's go. Yes, let's walk this direction. I mean, look how beautiful this direction is, eh? Oh, so there is, eh? Yes, very nice. What a beautiful street. This is nice, guys. And we have lovely murals on the wall there. Very nice.
Çekilsene, gördün mü? Ooo. Hadi gel.
What's filming here, guys? Just every street you turn. Oh, hello there. How are you? I mean, every street you turn, it's just the incredible standard of workmanship and beautiful colours. All the wood timber is absolutely beautifully finished. What a beautiful place.
Oraya geçtik. Artık böyle Antalya'nın şehir merkezine doğru yaklaştıkça parmağındaki güneş ama fırtına gibi rüzgar var. Bak atkım var, berem var, eldivenlerim var düşün. Evet. Çok çok serin. Evet. Biz şimdi...
Well, check this out, guys. I didn't expect to see this. Candy shop.
Gel, buraya.
Very good. Fantastic.
Fantastic. I agree. Perfect.
This is the old house hostel and pub. How nice is it looking? Beautiful.
Kamera stop, kamera stop.
So we're going up here, it takes you up to the main street, but we're not going to go there, we're going to a restaurant which is at the top of the castle. So let's go and have a look at it. Oh, this is nicer, look. Look at this, all your spices, beautiful. Okay, I haven't been up this street before. I like doing it first. So here we are, guys, situated actually on the walls, the old Roman walls, and we're going to go inside, so let's have a look. Wow. How are you?
Fine, nice to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you very much. So guys, this is the most amazing setting again. Another restaurant overlooking the harbour. We're a little bit further down, of course. And just look at that. Look at that. So, Lovely restaurant. What's this guy doing? Hey, check this. So it's a bit cold here at night time, eh? So you can come and sit in one of these bubbles. It's got a soap in, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to go up. See these fortified walls here? We're going to go up and we're going to go inside these fortified walls. Absolutely wonderful, eh? Can you believe it? So let's have a look. Neela is going up first and I'm going to follow. So let's go. This is the setting, guys. Absolutely wonderful. So let's go up here, guys. I love an adventure. So we're actually inside the walls. Oh, we've got a couple of tourists taking photos. Wow, look at this. Great, eh?
Yeah, very nice.
Great. Look at this. Look at this. So if I just stop here, and you can just imagine like the enemy's coming, and you can see them there in the harbour through here. Yeah, can you imagine that? Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Super. So, I'm going back in time here, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, this is fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic. So you come to the end, and you come to the very top, guys. Impressive or what? Impressive or what? In the castle walls, go back in time. Yeah, and we have here, hello, and we have Miss Neela again, and we're leaving the castle walls, back down to the bubble. Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. Woo, perfect. This is the Hadrian Gate Hotel.
Neden böyle yapmayacağım? Sorsana bana. Ortam soğuk.
This is a beautiful part of the old town. Look at this. This is great. This is Sabah Pension. So these are basically the cheapest form of accommodation. Ooh, a little wind came there. I sat here 2 years ago getting drunk on Guinness. Oh look, who's this lady here?
Lisa, look, watch.
Check this lady.
He's drinking Red Bull.
Oh, I like that. That's very nice. Thank you very much. Oh, and to you, darling. Yeah, have a nice day. Cheers.
Oh, wow.
Sheriff, eh? Wow. Isn't that cool? And apparently, this is going to be packed. The owner just told me tonight inside because it will be cold. But just look how beautiful, people. This is like it was just built yesterday. And these are the old Ottoman style houses. Not Ottoman style, these are old Ottoman houses, by the way. This is the old town. This is all original. Shall we have a look inside the Dubliner? It's absolutely beautiful. Okay. Let's see what's happening inside the Dubliner. Anything going on? Oh, stuff. Oh, look, this is a real pub. Guinness? Of course. Oh, look, hey guys. Cold outside, nobody around, and look what we've got inside. Absolutely. Oh, it's nice and warm. I've lost Neil outside somewhere. Very nice. Yeah, look at this, brilliant. Okay, so I'm coming here tonight. Look at this. This is a real pub. It's got 2 dartboards. Woo. Let's go for a wander. Goosey gander. Let's go. Next to Dubliner, we also have a couple other pubs. Art Pub and More, it's called. And next door is, do you recognise that one? It's called the Edinburgh. And guess what? That's where I'm from. It's been a couple of years since I've been in here. You should see the decor inside, it's very, very nice. So here we are, Edinburgh. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
So look at this. It's done like old stone vaults. And it's absolutely stunning. When I turn around and you'll see what I mean. Look at this. So we're going to come down here, guys. I spoke, apart from the owner, I went to Edinburgh a couple of years ago. We came back with a lot of ideas from the UK. Look at this place. What can I say? Very impressive. Very, very impressive. Okay, let's get out in a bit. Let's go for a wander, guys. Let's go for a wander. Right next to the mosque, guys. So there you go. You can't miss it.
Doğal olsun diye.
Görüşürüz.
Ay çok güzel ya.
Ama şey güzel, yukarıya gidersen çıkıyorsun, aşağı gidersen daha...
Ama iyi bir aşağıya.
Daha fazla verimli. Yukarı çıkarsan bir şekilde çıkarsın yani.
We hope you're enjoying Antalya, people. Oh, look at this. I didn't expect to see this. Look at this restaurant, guys. Wow. One second.
Acaba bizim çıktığımız yer burası mı?
This is another entrance to the harbour, everyone. How nice is this? Look at these people just sitting enjoying life. This is the Casa Sur, people. Casa Sur. So that's it. Place it's called the Hisar, guys. So guys, we stumbled upon a place called the Hisar Restaurant, which is part of the old castle in Antalya. So we came in and it's an old part of the castle walls. And it's absolutely incredible. I don't know if you can actually see in here, yeah? But it's cool. You can imagine this in August. You go out here and it's got this lovely roof terrace which opens up to this. Wow, how impressive is that, guys? So directly in front of me we have the glass lift that takes you down to the harbour, and just beyond that, below the mountains, that whole stretch there is Konyaalti beach, and there's lots of all-inclusive big 5-star hotels there, and the coastline goes all the way around. And if you follow the coastway all the way around, it takes you practically to the town of Fethiye, which is about 5.5 hours away. But between there and here, there's many beautiful places. We have Kemer, just past the peninsula there, along the Turquoise coast. Then we have Finike, which is a beautiful little harbour town. And if you go further up, you've got Demre, St Nicholas, Father Christmas was born there. And then you just go further up the coast, you come to my favourite place, Cash. Again, a lovely little fishing village. It's stunning and just a really lazy place to be. And then you go just 15 minutes up, we have Kalkan, which is a beautiful coastal town as well. Very popular with expats and holiday makers, of course. Awesome, I love it. Wow, check this out, guys. Look, there's a table there, look. Table for 12. And there's another terrace on the left hand side there. And we're in the vaults, look. So, we'll go back. Very unusual, eh? There's the bar. The wine bar. This is the entrance. Let's go and wander around Antalya. So that's the place. It's called the Hisar, guys. If you go west Antalya, we also have Konyaalti beach. That's in this direction. Konyaalti beach, huge stretch. Let's have a look down in Konyaalti. You've no idea where you're going, have you? Lodge Hotel. How beautiful, eh? Look at this, guys. Look at this. These boutique hotels are not expensive, guys. Right in the heart of where it's all happening. Get yourself down here.
Öyle yani. Hatta ben seni arayacaktım dedim neyse. Senin telefondan ararız dedim hani. Ondan sonra arayayım da dedim. Gidemeyeceğimi söyleyeyim bak telefonum kapanıverdi.
Very nice. Carpet shop. Beautiful chandelier. The bottom here opens up into the harbour where I was a couple of days ago. So just it's like toss a coin which direction you go. I think we're going to go this direction. So of course they're catering for tourism here. Been a bad couple of years. So get yourself down to Antalya, get yourself to the old town and check out all this shopping. Awesome. Get yourself down here, guys.
Aşağıdaki değil mi? 10 kişi burada çocuğa bir oyuncak vermediniz ya. Ayıp denen bir şey var içinde.
Wow, look at these old buildings, beautiful. How's this for a handbag shop, ladies and gentlemen? How's that for a handbag shop? Wow, wow. So this is just at the bottom of the road. This is the bottom of the road that goes down to the harbour. Look at this, absolutely fantastic. Merhaba. Wow. Not that I'm into handbags, by the way, but what the hell? What the hell goes on and on and on? Okay, let's go. Now you know where to find the handbags, folks. Don't just love these places, eh? Wow, beautiful. A lovely building on the corner. And my hotel is just up here, so a little bit of a climb, guys. Let's go. This is just outside our hotel, everyone. It's getting a little bit busier. So it's getting a little bit darker. And people will be eating. And it'll be time to go out again. It's a cool bike, isn't it? Like that. Yeah, we like that. So here we are, Kaleiçı at night. So we were here in the afternoon, and I said we'll come down here tonight, see what's going on. It's actually full inside, not a lot going on outside, of course. We just passed about 5 or 6 shop bars that are all open. You can see how empty it is at the moment. It's 9 o'clock nearly, isn't it? 9 o'clock? Nearly 9 o'clock, eh? So you get an idea of what it's going to be like. Apparently this is the best seafood restaurant in the whole of Antalya, because of Aya Mianesi. So they've got Turkish music on through the back. He's asking us to come in and just video, so let's go and video. Oh, come. Oh, it's live music, guys. To my surprise, this is not a wedding, everyone. This is actually just a fish restaurant, so maybe it's correct. Maybe it is the best fish restaurant in the whole of Antalya. It's getting a bit late for us now, people, so we're going to head back now, slow walk back to our hotel, and we hope you've enjoyed your time here in Antalya, in the old town. And share the hell out of this. Thanks very much if you do that. So I think you'll all agree, Antalya, what a beautiful place. Thank you for watching this video, I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So thanks again for watching, guys, I really appreciate it. Mind and share my video as well. Thanks, it helps me a lot, okay, so thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you all real soon in my next video, which is out real soon. Thanks for watching, bye.